My old friend, good morning to all of you again. Hope you all are doing good and stay healthy. And thanking you for watching this video and previous videos too. This video I'm making for the Monday morning coffee with technical analysis, dated 30/8/2021. Hope you all enjoying and benefit from my Monday morning coffee with technical analysis video, and you benefit too. And this video is making for on 2 to 3 stocks analysis, and hopefully those stocks benefited to all of you again. Today, I am making this video. I'm going to analysis on 3 stocks like Nestle, Info Edge, and Asahi India Glass. These are 3 stocks I'm going to analysis. And if you benefited from my analysis, please do like this video, share with your friends, and subscribe my channel. And if you want to join my technical analysis course, you can join my technical analysis course to learn better technical analysis and trade with the technical to better profit and best profit in this from this market, and not gambling in this market. This is the main thing, and then you get the maximum profit. So Nestle, first resistance 21150 and 23,700 levels, and support levels is 18,390 levels. Info Edge resistance levels first 6420 and then 7277, support 5525 levels, and Asahi India Gas resistance levels 380 to 390 levels first, and then 420 levels, and support 350 to 330 levels. These 3 stocks for short to medium term, medium to long term analysis for 3 to 6 months. And all support, if breach closing basis, then it will be stop loss hit and maintain a stop loss below all the support levels, and on a closing basis. And this video I'm making for educational purpose, not giving any buy or selling recommendation here. And please watch the full video, full analysis with the chart analysis. This is the Nestle chart. You see this is the ascending triangle is the break, and break the multi-year resistance levels from 2020 to 2021 half. So it's break at this moment, and it's trading at around 19, near about 20,000, and the first resistance is at this moment 21,150 levels, and then 23,700 levels. These are 2 target levels or support resistance levels at this moment. The first resistance levels is 21,150 levels, and then 23,700 levels. These are 2 target levels or resistance levels, you can say, and support levels is 18,390 levels. If 18,390 levels break, closing basis and sustain below that levels, then we have to maintain our stop loss. This is the Nestle India, and it's a very good stocks, looking to good in near terms also. The next stock is Info Edge, and he also it's also a ascending triangle bottom, ascending triangle breakout, and 6420 is the next target levels for this Info Edge, and then 7277 levels is the next target levels. These are 2 resistance levels or target levels, so you can say 64,020 levels and then 7277. These are all mid to long term target levels, and the support levels is a closing basis 5525 levels. If reach 5525 levels closing on a closing basis, then we have to maintain our stop loss below 5525 levels. You all see this is the daily chart of this Infosys. This is also in ascending triangle, also in this daily chart. So these two stocks is breakout at this moment and is giving the good sign to again give a bullishness. And then another chart is Aster India Glass India Limited. This chart also showing to me is a very good at this moment. It's taking the support levels and showing the bullishness again. And one thing is the short is that in this chart, the volume is short, volume is very low. This is the main concern. But anyway, the stocks is short to mid term. It's target 380 to 390 levels and then for 420 levels. First target is 380 to 390 levels and then 420 levels. And 350 is the first support levels and 330 is the next support levels. If 330 levels breach and below sustainable below that levels, then we maintain our stop loss and get out from this stock. Otherwise, it's 380 to 390 levels is the first target levels may achieve, and then 420 levels above 390 levels is if sustain, then the 420 levels is the next target for mid short to mid term. These three stocks looking good to me. That is why I share this three stocks chart with all of you through this video, through this Monday morning coffee with the tech analyst video. This video always published at 8 a.m. Monday morning. So please follow my channel and watch every Monday morning to get this kind of analysis. And if you benefited from my analysis, please do like this video, share with your friends and subscribe my channel. And if you want to join my technical course, you can feel free to join my technical course to learn the technical analysis and trade in this market with a better way. And please follow my channel. And thanking you to all of you, my friends, for watching this video. Thanking you to all of you, and please follow my channel.